My name is Bailey Gilreath-Brown. I'm the Adult Services Librarian for the Lake County Library District. So today, for our third pickup project, we're going to do a little coloring activity. So this one doesn't require a lot of direction or explanation, but I still wanted to show you kind of what you can expect to find in your packet. So you will have a selection of a few different coloring pages based on kind of masterpiece artworks. So you can select the ones you want to color and take some time, put on some music or a podcast or an audiobook and enjoy coloring. You'll have your own pack of colored pencils included, so you can get to work. So you'll also be provided with a little key to show what the original Masterworks look like, but feel free to go rogue and color them however you would like. So while you may not need a lot of direction, I hope you watch this little time-lapse video and find it meditative and kind of inspire you to take the time coloring to relax and kind of get into a space and de-stress a little bit. Again, I hope you're really enjoying summer reading, and I hope you are following us for our reading challenges and filling out our forms so that you can enter to win prizes, because we've got some really great prizes for adults and I'm really excited this year. Hope you are too.